In this edition of Sailing Doodles, we give you a look at the Denpasar Bali main anchorage. We defy gravity. Visit the strangest museum I've ever seen. And Laura gets a rub down. We had a good time at this villa. We're actually gonna head to the other side. Well, we gotta go back to the boat for a little bit today, charge the batteries and run the refrigerator. We'll spend about 2 or 3 hours doing that. That's the downside of not having solar or wind on the boat. We gotta go. We can't leave the boat more than 2 nights because we gotta run the battery. We gotta charge the battery. While the rest of Bali is beautiful and fairly clean, the main anchorage is not. The water is full of trash and more like a dirty brown color in a lake than an ocean. And the dinghy dock can be extremely crowded at times. So batteries are only down to 80%. Now they're back up to 100, so we're gonna head back into the country.
He's totally photo.
Hey, check out these laundry bags, how big they are. Look how small mine is.
Yeah, yours is so small, Travis.
What else is small? Your brain?
Could be sometimes.
Working hard.
You weigh it?
Yeah,
Weigh
yeah,
it?
waiting.
So we were gonna try to find a place to do our laundry, and as soon as we got off the dock, the guy's going, here, I'll take you. So he took us to his laundry. And this is where they do their laundry. We don't know how much it's gonna cost yet, but it's gotta be like the cheapest load we've done yet.
Oh my God.
11.
Here it costs 12,000 rupiah for 1 kilo. So each of our bags are about 11 kilos. So that would be, 120,000, which is $9. Pretty good deal.
What's wrong, Laura? Is there a crisis situation?
I'm like
brewing?
trying to hold my breath.
What are you smelling?
I can't even describe it. Seriously, I thought I was gonna gag for a second.
That's the smell of world travel.
Oh,
right there.
are you getting those whiffs? Why do you have your window open? Oh, gross.
Breathe deeply.
How can you do that? I just ate.
It's just so good.
I'm gonna go. Where is it? Where's the truck at?
Behind us. Travis is really excited about this place, so we thought we'd come check it out. Does this look really weird on video? Do I look like I'm standing on the ceiling? Should I turn this upside down?
Oh, there we go. How do we do this? Walk through.
It's pretty cool little stuff.
I think that was our most fun so far.
Yeah, that was fun.
What a freak show, flipping the photos over and looking at them.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be kind of cheesy, and it actually is, but it was kind of cool though.
No, it's great because they walk around with you and take the epic photo.
They were good, really good.
And pose you. Super good.
All right, now we need beer and pool.
And party.
There you go.
Lunch out. Use the thumb. Yeah. We're gonna get demonetized if you put my butt too much on.
Okay, so it's Friday. We figured we'd get a place kind of in the center of town. You wouldn't think it's in the center of town because it's really quiet. We're on this kind of back alley. But this is our place we rented. It's 3 bedroom, 3 bath. Pretty nice place with a pool. $80 a night. So it's a pretty nice place. There's 2 more bedrooms upstairs, 2 more bathrooms. The bathroom back there is pretty nice. So this place, $80 a night. I mean, something like this in the States, are you kidding me? Huh. It's like Mario Kart, seriously.
That's another thing about crossing the road. In these wild countries, all you have to do is just walk out there, don't stop, don't slow down, don't speed up, and they'll just get out of your way. Right, Bob?
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
Travis decided to put his theory to the test.
Dodging scooters.
We stumbled into this really weird museum, and I'm glad we did. I don't really know what all this is. This is just like a little place we stopped by on the way to the temple, and it's crazy looking. It's like something out of Big Trouble from Little China. Something there are plenty of in Bali are Hindu temples. And yep, back in a sarong. Well, the place we're going to now is called the Hideaway. It's definitely out here in the middle of nowhere compared to where we've been. You look at this road.
Got all the beer back here.
We paid $100 a night for this place, and it's simply amazing. This place is pretty awesome so far. Yeah. Wow, look at this. That's probably the amenity she likes the most, is that it comes with dogs.
Animals.
Animals.
Animals are best. Come on. Well, this is like a double bed. These bathrooms are ginormous. This is like purple. Thank you. Wow.
So that was Christina. She made some welcome dishes for us, and pretty nice. She is the caretaker for the place. Wow, we're having an earthquake right now.
This is really holy shit.
Tune in next time to see more footage about the earthquake, and if you're really enjoying the channel, please consider becoming a patron. And check out our newest channel. It's called Flying Doodles, and it's all about aviation. Wow, it's so weird flying the tail off the ground like that.